Hi everyone, welcome back to Topical Girl Journey. Today I'm taking you to a beautiful hillside cafe in Phuket. It's called Summore Day Café. This place is surrounded by greenery with a calm and peaceful atmosphere, and it also has an amazing ocean view, especially during the sunset. Let's explore this place together. Summore Day Café is open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's located near Promthep Cape viewpoint on the opposite side. From the moment I walked in, the atmosphere already feels so relaxing. There's a lot of greenery along the pathway, which make the whole place feel very calm and peaceful. Even before entering the cafe, I was already impressed. You can actually see the ocean from here, and it feels like a floating garden on a hill. This cafe is self-service, so you order first, then find your seat. They will give you a number sign and the staff will bring you the drinks to your table. Today I ordered a peach tea and a homemade lemon cream. Both are 160 baht. After trying them, both drinks are really refreshing. After relaxing inside, I went to check out the outdoor area. I feel like this spot would be even more beautiful around 4 to 6 p.m., especially during the sunset. I came here around 1 p.m., so it was a bit hot outside, but for photos, this view is absolutely worth it. Another thing I really like about this cafe is how much attention they put into the details. Even the plant and small decorations are beautifully arranged and feel really thoughtful. Just look at this view, it's so beautiful. Over there is Yat Noi Beach, and the white building you see is the Naihan Hotel. If you want to see what that hotel is like, I've already made a video about it. You can check it out. It's getting a bit hot out here. Let's go inside. This area is on the 3rd floor, and the vibe here is so nice. With the earthy tone sofas and all the greenery, it feels really cozy and relaxing. It's the kind of place where you don't feel rushed and you can just sit here for hours. Perfect for chatting, relaxing, or just doing nothing. While exploring, I found this area, and wow, the path to the toilet is surrounded by plants on both sides. With curved stairs going up, it feels like a hidden garden. Even walking to the toilet feels relaxing. This cafe has so many different seating areas, and each one gives a completely different vibe. Everywhere I walk, I feel relaxed. It's definitely a place I would come back to again because there's so many spots I wanted to try. This is one of my favorite spots. There is a small waterfall next to the seating area, and the sound of the water is so calming. You can also see the ocean from here. It really feels like a nature escape. Down below, there's a small fish bridge with a lot of fish, and it feels like a cozy little garden at someone's home. If you are looking for a cafe in Phuket with ocean views, nature, and a peaceful atmosphere, I definitely recommend Summore Day Café. It's a place where you can truly relax and slow down. Remember to subscribe for more tropical travel and cafe spot, and I will see you in the next video.